Hello and welcome to another MoreBikes unboxing video. I'm particularly excited about tonight's unboxing for a few reasons. First of all, it's something that I've been thinking about for a long time. It's something that I've been worrying about a little bit for a long time. And I've decided that I also need cheering up because 2 days ago, I managed to catch coronavirus, so I feel rough, and the weather is pretty awful. It's raining, it's just downright miserable for a July. So I thought I'd cheer myself up and get this unboxing video done and look forward to fitting it on the bike. So, just show you the product. We have the Tutoro, he says, peering over the box, automatic chain oiling system. I am always worried about my chain and its maintenance, its wear and tear, etc. Chain is very important to a bike, obviously, and I like to keep my chains in tip-top condition. And this is going to help me. So, let's get on with the unboxing. Right, the Tutoro automatic chain oiler and components are in the box. We're now going to unbox them. First of all, let me give you a little bit of information about Tutoro. Jude and Nick are extremely helpful. I cannot stress this enough, not only for the media but also for consumers as well. Nick over the years has painstakingly put together a workshop manual for this piece of kit, and every single detail is adhered to, every T is crossed, I is dotted. Nick has left no stone unturned in terms of ensuring that the consumer has a fantastic experience with this product. Tutoro actually stands for top up, turn on and ride off. Quite an ingenious acronym when you think about it. Literally, this bit of kit, it turns on when you ride. It turns off when you stop. There's no wires, there's no vacuums, and no hassle. As you can see from here, they're made in England using precision components, and they manufacture these every single day, and they put such a lot of time and effort and care into manufacturing this that there's only 50 of these manufactured a week. So it has a 45 millilitre capacity, which will give an operating range of between 600 and 1,000 miles, perhaps a little bit more, depending on how you set it up. So all we need to do is to make sure that we follow the instructions, we stick to the workshop manual that's in here that Nick and Jude put in every single box. You can get it as a PDF as well for your smart device if you want to have it with you. There are different versions of this for different styles of motorcycle. This is the Trek kit for my CF Moto 650 MT. So I'm going to stop waffling and showing you a cardboard box. I'm going to have a dive in now. Here we go. We'll get it open, and a good sturdy box, which I like to see. I don't like to see packaging that can get crushed and squeezed and break the products inside. So first things first, as you can see, we've got some not so cheesy what sits in here, a bit of polystyrene packaging to protect what's inside. So I'm not going to throw all those around the office, so we'll try and leave those in the box. First of all, we have a packing list, which shows us very nicely what's actually in the box. We have the workshop manual, we have the wash bag, which is interesting, we'll find out what that is later. Chain oil, auto reservoir priming magnet, a multi-fit bracket, 1.5 metre hose with a single feed nozzle, cable tie bundle, a shark's fin, okay, hose clamp set, and a 100ml empty bottle. We've also had included here Profix bolt bracket, stone shield, and some spares. Great. So very efficient. I'll drag this out first. The lid does not want to stay open. Okay, so what we've got here, we have the extra accessories. So in here will be our bolt bracket, Profix, our stone shield, and our spares. Okay, so I'll get this box out of the way and we'll take a look in the envelope first of all. So let's get this open. Haha, it's like Christmas, isn't it? Making me forget about my coronavirus. And the rain, I don't know if you can hear it. Bloody miserable. Right. Everything is labelled. So we have the Profix bolt bracket. That is steel, very sturdy. And we have this, which looks like a stone guard. And it is aesthetically pleasing, as they say. That's going to look good on the bike. And this little chap, he says, reaching for his list, is going to be some spares. Looks like a bottle top and some full of nozzle. Okay, that's fine. Now we'll bring back the box that doesn't want to stay open. Okay. So now we've got the 1.5 metre hose. Okay. Looks about 1.5 metres. Looks like a hose. Fabulous. I like how everything is labelled, because sometimes you buy these kits and nothing is labelled, so you don't know what's what. That is clearly the Tutoro hose clamp set. Even get a little swab to clean the surface here to make sure that what you're sticking it on is going to be clean. That's good. Attention to detail. Attention to detail. Multi-fit bracket set. Cool. Okay. We're piling up here on the side. A lot of stuff in this. Ah, we have a shark fin. There we go. Looks like a shark fin, which is why it's called a shark fin. So, we're not quite sure what the shark fin's for, but we're going to find out about that, aren't we? Aha! Right, so that is 500 mils of motorcycle chain oil by Tutoro. Fantastic. Yep, can't say much about that. Decent bottle. Rummaging around in the not so cheesy Watsits, we have a plethora of rather industrial looking cable ties. Very good. And we have the receptacle that it goes in. This is the business end of the product. There we go. I'll take it out in a minute. Also like a few stickers, either for the bike or for the toolkit. Yes, thank you for the stickers. Oop. A few more widgets in here. Wow. And okay. Little bottle. 100 empty bottle, which indeed, that's what it is. Cleaning products and solvents can damage your Tutoro oiler. Please use this bag to cover the reservoir when you clean your motorcycle. Well, that's pretty cool. That's really well thought out. Yeah. Makes sense, doesn't it? For them to think that and include it. That's really good. Okay. So I'm rummaging in the not so cheesy Wotsits. Nothing else in there now. So we have Nick's comprehensive workshop manual. Excellent stuff. And that's what it looks like. So I did say to you earlier that that was the business end. And indeed it is. I'm going to get it out. Although it looks exactly like that does on there, so it's not going to achieve much by getting this out to show you. Yeah, get out of the way. That's pretty cool. Very well made. And there is a spare one of those. We said earlier, spares. That's it. So that is the business end of the product. Everything's logoed. It's very nice. It all feels quality. And so far, I'm impressed. Now, I shall have a good read of this because I am a little bit OCD when it comes to fitting things to bikes, etc. They're quite happy for you to contact them with details of your bike. You will be supplied the correct one, of course, for your bike, but they're more than happy to talk very passionately about the product and how to fit it, which is great. So I am no mechanic. I don't really know one end of the engine from another, so I'm not going to be the sort of person that will fit this in a flash and make it look extremely easy. I'm not ham-fisted, I'm not useless, I can turn my hand to anything, but as I said, I'm not a mechanic. But I do things by the book and thoroughly. So as an ordinary Joe, as they say, fitting this product, we'll see how I get on. The next video is going to be me fitting this to the bike with some still photographs, of course, and the final video out of the series of 3 is going to be me out on the road using the product. Now the 650 CF Moto MT comes with crash bars, so I'm pretty sure that I'll be able to get the GoPro on the crash bars facing towards the chain oiler and hopefully get some chain oiler action. I'm not promising anything, but I'll give it a whirl. Anyway, thanks for listening. We'll now get all this back in the box with a not so cheesy Wotsits and see how we get on.